Now let us see some example of the problems that we have seen. Okay, so first example is of the joint probability of conditional events and understanding of the addition rule. So they are saying that suppose that RBI will decrease the interest rate, the probability is 0.6, and the probability that recession will happen if the interest rate is decreased is 0.3. Let us suppose I say that this is the probability of interest rate increasing, okay, and this is the probability of interest rate decreasing, assuming that these are the only two situations will happen. Okay, so this they have given as 0.6. See, these two are mutually exclusive event, so this has to be the probability of this should be 0.4. Okay. Now they are saying that the probability when the interest rate is decreased, okay, the probability of recession if the interest rate is decreased is 0.3. So say, let's say suppose this is the probability of recession given interest rate is decreased, this is given as 0.3. Okay, so this is 0.3. Okay, now they are saying that find the joint probability of decrease in interest rate and the recession. So it means that they are talking about this node. What is the joint probability of decrease in the interest rate and the recession? Okay, so it means that the probability will be equal to the multiplication of this, that is 0.6, and the multiplication of this, which is 0.3. So your answer will be 0.6 into 0.3, that will be 0.18. So this is the answer of the joint probability of decrease in interest rate and recession. Now the next one, they are saying that if the probability that either the interest rate will decrease or recession will occur is 0.82. They are saying that the probability that recession will happen or interest rate will be decreased is 0.82. Okay, they are saying that find the unconditional probability of recession. Note that this can be written as probability of recession plus probability of decrease in the interest rate minus the probability of recession and decrease in the rate. Okay, now see what we know. We know that decrease in the interest rate is known to us, probability, that is 0.6. We know this also, which is 0.18. Okay, so this is the probability of recession, unconditional probability, which we can compute. So what we have is 0.82 is equal to probability of recession, unconditional probability, plus probability of decrease in the interest rate, which is 0.6, minus probability of recession and I both decrease, so this will be 0.12. So what you can do is you can bring this here, this will be 0.82 plus 0.18, it will be 1, and then you bring it over here, 1 minus 0.6. Okay, so it will be 0.4. This is your probability of recession. Okay, right, that is the unconditional probability of recession. So how with this data you can compute these values easily, right?